Okay, so in the previous class we have discussed about affiliate marketing and hope you all understood what an affiliate marketing is and how to get started with the affiliate marketing role or career or affiliate marketing activity. Okay, so in case of any questions or doubts, it's all documented in here already. You can go through it and even the class recording is available. Yeah, and in today's class we'll be discussing about App Store optimization and marketing. Okay, so App Store optimization. So ever heard of this terminology, App Store optimization? Anybody? What is going to happen in off App Store optimization? Yeah. So to understand better on this, well, first understand certain things. Okay. See, when an application is built, the main goal of that application will be to get as many installations as possible. Correct, everybody? What will be the main goal of the application if that exists on the Play Store or App Store? The main goal is to get as many installations as possible. Okay. So now here, how is a marketer playing a role to get as many installations as possible? Anybody?
Google, Instagram, Facebook,
No.
giving an advertisement for that to go through the apps. Or when you're seeing some reels, there are some kind of an advertisement which they take us to their
That
app
is
to
app
download their app.
marketing. That is app marketing. What is App Store optimization? What is app optimization? Optimizing the application. What is app application?
So like kind of website optimization. So our app should be run smoothly, should be very fast and performance. There is no bug and lag. This is called the app optimization.
Yeah, you're closer to the match. Okay, so I'll tell you. Okay. Uh, See, in App Store optimization as a digital marketer, if at all, if you have to work on optimizing the app, okay, so you will have to understand certain things or scenarios when will app get downloaded or when will installed app will be deleted or uninstalled, right? So various such things have to be understood. Okay, see, if you look at App Store and Play Store, there are also search engines, correct? You'll have a search in the top, and when somebody searches for the app, okay, so maybe people would not.
Or also,
Okay, you turn off those ones. You know the switch
yes, sir.
down there.
Okay.
For all the apps, right? So now scanner app. Look at this. So there are good chances of you installing the app whichever is showing in the top. Correct? Maybe having a text document scanner. Yeah, you see there are so many document scanning apps. Maybe probably on your mobile you would see a lot of document scanner apps. On your mobile you might find a lot of auto completes when you put document scanner. Okay, so now these all apps are showing up, correct? Now in the app store optimization or app optimization, your main goal will be to make the app show in the top. Okay, so now in today's class we are going to understand what all has to be done in order to rank the app in the top and what are those ranking factors that will make the app to rank in the top. Okay.
Now,
So we are not going to learn how to build an app or how to publish an app to the app store or play store, but knowing that could be an add-on definitely. But here in this class we will be just discussing, as a digital marketer, how do you make the app rank in the top. Okay, so as usual, the first thing is relevancy. Bring in all the relevant terms or relevant keywords related to your app. So if you look at this PDF scanner, OCR, Adobe, PDF creator, document scanner, see the text document scanner is used in the title. See, while publishing the app also, so it's quite simple. So while publishing this app also, it asks you for a couple of fields like the title, description of the app, what is that app about, and couple of details about the app, and some tags or keywords as well. Okay, some tags or keywords as well, and this is something very basic and anybody can understand, providing such kinds of details to app, correct? So it's, so when you log into when you try to register on a Facebook and Instagram, it's quite simple for you to understand, to provide that you have to provide name, bio about you, correct? Link to maybe your other social media pages, correct? Same way here you will be providing couple of details. That's the most basic thing which you will be doing. Anyways, that will not stress much on that part because that is easy to understand. Okay, so now if you are updating such kinds of details, will your app really rank up in the top always? Can your app really make it to the top? See, now this one also has document scanner in it. Our search is also document scanner, correct? Here this one also has document scanner, and is that ranking in the top? No. Though they have also put the keyword, it's not ranking in the top, right? Our more focus today will be to understand what are those factors that will make the app rank in the top. Okay, so first thing definitely it's always the relevancy. Your app, see now I am searching for document scanner and your app title says document scanner, but when I download, it's not a document scanner, it's something else, or it's not really powerful to scan all kinds of documents. It says always you have to put the document on red background. There is no purpose fulfilled, or it cannot scan certain kinds of documents. The purpose is not fulfilled. So in this scenario, the app is of no use. People would uninstall immediately. If people are uninstalling the apps, there is something called as retention rate. Retention rate. So what is this retention rate? So the measure of the duration, the measure of the duration, how long the app is on the mobile phone. Okay, so if the app is not retained from the time period that you have downloaded, how long the app is going to stay on your mobile phone is the retention rate. If it is quickly uninstalled, the retention rate is poor, very low. If the app is on your phone for a longer period, the retention rate is high. This is one of the factors that decides app ranking, along with the basic optimizations or basic inputs such as the app name, the keywords, the description that you have put, right? There are multiple other things such as, here also the CTR comes into picture. The CTR and download rate. So now CTR. So you have searched for document scanner, but then you did not click on this. See, all of this has got equal amount of impressions, but now you did not click on this. You clicked on this or this because the CTR is, the rating is 4.8. Let's assume all of them are document scanners. The rating is 4.8, 4.8, and this is 4.7, and the chances of you installing this applications of the CTR could be high for this. Next factor, you have clicked on this, but did you really install the application? You might have read the description. The description says this app is most suitable for people who scan the PDF files only of so and so size, let's say A5 size, but all your documents are A4 size, or it says it's a paid one. Now what happens? The moment you see it's paid, you will come back, you are not downloading. Correct? So this is another factor which doesn't play such a big role, but what plays a crucial role, I'll let you know. Okay. So now did you all get that? Here also there is something called as retention rate. CTR, and download rate. You're engaging with the app for some reason, you're not downloading it, and now your app cannot really make it to the extreme top. Correct? Is that clear up to here?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now second thing, retention rate. We will understand in which all scenarios the retention rate will come down. Retention rate is nothing but you are not keeping the app on your mobile phone. Okay. So for that we understand couple of things. Let's say we have to minimize bugs. I have documented it already here in the previous class. Yeah. I'll just walk you all through this. App Store optimization is the optimization of mobile application for the Play Store or App Store in order to show up in the top on the search results of the App Store or Play Store in order to get more downloads. So it's not only Play Store and App Store, there are multiple such platforms for applications. Anybody knows them? We were discussing that in one of the previous classes, if you all could recall. I don't remember which. So there is Google, the BlackBerry. There is something. Huh?
So coming in with questions,
Like Play Store and App Store is the most common thing, right? There are many such platforms from different companies, apps,
like Microsoft services.
Microsoft, Microsoft. Uh, I found some 12 to 15 sites, some 20 to 15 such platforms. I'll try to get the details or information. I'll update it here. Even I don't remember. Even I'm popularly aware of App Store and Play Store.
So most of some mobile own app, they have lot of apps like MI, Samsung. Also the app is
Yes.
available.
So there are many platforms. Okay. So what all are being taken care in optimization of the application? Identifying the keywords used on app or Play Store. Okay. Here as well, you will be dealing with the keywords in order to make the app eligible to show up for the respective relevant searches. We have discussed this. You will have the app name, app description, and tag section, which have to be optimized with the focused keywords. The app download rate and the retention rate plays a crucial role in ranking the app. If people are seeing the app in the results and not downloading the app, indicates the app is not really serving the purpose or indicates people are not interested in it. This is referred as low app download rate. Lower it is, lower the chances of app ranking. Okay, so here are some reasons why your app would not get downloaded by people despite they looking at your profile. The app size. If the app is several MBs, the chances of downloading it will come down. Ideally, it has to be less than 6 MB, around 6 MB. See, sometimes people will develop the apps which will be around 100 MB, 50 MB, 90 MB,
Business apps. Business apps.
whatever the apps.
That's most of
25 MB, 30 MB, see the chances of people retaining the apps will come down. The chances of people downloading the apps will also come down. See what happens now whenever your phone is storage is full, first thing what happens? You will look for the app which is
permission.
taking most of the space, correct? And you will try to uninstall it, correct? Or you will try to figure out the alternate versions of it. How many of you know that there is something called as Facebook Lite? Facebook Lite, heard of
Yeah.
it? Using Facebook Lite, you can log into a different profile, and from the Facebook original app, you can log into a different account. On same phone, you can log into two different Facebook accounts also. So Facebook Lite is a lighter version of the app, which most people prefer to use it on their phone if they have memory constraints, size, storage constraints on their phone. Okay, so the app preview images. So people must have built an amazing app, but looking at if you look at their preview images, see now this is different, this is different. Which one is quite interesting for you? See now, look at this size. So now these preview images has to be quite appealing. Otherwise, people will not install the application. Okay. Inappropriate app names or descriptions. The name that does not really mention or indicate what it is actually about will impact on the app downloads. If it is not actually what it is about, it's going to impact the app downloads. Let's say you are into website designing, or let's say you are into digital marketing services, and your name will be just ABC. Will people understand? Now, for example, Cadra Digital, we have put digital. There is a digital term in it, which is indicating we are into digital services, web presences, building web presence for businesses. So having something that represents what the application is, especially if you are building applications, um, which see now, have you ever seen people marketing their documents scanner apps? See, applications related to food delivery or transportation, people will promote them because everybody uses them. Now, marketing such kinds of apps, document, photo scanner, or maybe certain other kinds of app, people will download them when they are necessary. So they won't market. So, but then they have to make sure that they are relevant for people to download them. The relevant titles and descriptions, and titles and descriptions indicate. So there are good chances that they would add value or improve the CTR. Okay. Poor ratings and reviews. An app with poor ratings and negative or fewer reviews will impact on downloads. The compatibility, not being compatible with various kinds of devices and their operating system versions, will also impact on the download. This being the reason, see, if you people think, okay, if I'm owning an app, that's fine. No, that's not fine. So you cannot develop an app once and use it for a lifetime. You have to keep upgrading the application platforms. Okay, the code or functionalities or whatsoever as per the new operating systems, right? So if it is no more relevant with the older versions, people will start uninstalling your application, or even if they are not installing, the OS itself suggests this is no more compatible and it forces to uninstall the application. Okay, so you have to maintain or make sure that your app is compatible on all devices and all versions of the operating system. Okay, so this is about when will an application gets uninstalled. Any questions here up to here, guys? Looks like some points have gone away. So now, when you have to take care of all this, you will be looking. So when you have to take care of ranking the app on the top, you'll have to look into these factors. So we had some 8 to 12 points. I don't know why there is no text. Some points have gone away. Okay. Anyways, mm, preview images. Yeah, these are the very important things which you have to look into in order to get better rankings for your app. Okay, and couple of other things which you have to pay attention to in order to make sure that the uninstallation won't happen. Like, there should not be any kind of technical issues on your application. Okay, not to have too many ads. Okay, so when your app is heavy, then even in those scenarios, it would get uninstalled. Not satisfied with the features or options. Your app itself is creepy. It's not useful. Not user friendly. Features available only on subscription, outdated version and no more compatible with the device operating system, suspicious links or redirections from the app, converting from free version to the paid version, all this could make your app uninstall. Okay, so as a digital marketer, if you have to assess what's happening or if you have to add suggestions to the app developers or to the company, you might have to review all of this. You have to review all of this on the application and ensure that the application is taking care of all of these things in order to bring down the app uninstallations, in order to improve the retention rate. Okay, so I'm hoping it's all easy to understand for all of you here. Correct? Anybody has questions? Yeah. So now, how do people bring apps to the App Store or Play Store? Who will bring it all? Okay. So developers will sign up and get the app API keys in order to upload them to the respective platforms. Digital marketers play no role at all here except about suggestions in optimizing the app, or instead of no role or minimal role at all here except about the suggestions in optimizing the app. Apps are reviewed against the platform standards or guidelines, and not abiding to any of their guidelines will lead to
Actually, we don't know any
suspension
role.
or cancellation of the app upload to the platform or activation.
For app, technically, for digital marketer, no role. Correct, no, sir? Other than these suggestions.
Other than,
No, sir. For
yeah,
digital
yeah,
marketer,
while uploading the app, you play no role at all, or maybe you might involve in certain scenarios in order to make sure that this is all taken care in the stage one itself. Yeah,
you will give suggestions. That's all.
yes, okay. Yeah, apps are reviewed against the platform guidelines and
So you can, sir, also you can download the Google Meet app now, sir. Google Meet software. It's just a process. It's good, sir. Not an giving it
I had
away.
it in the previous version after. Okay, fine.
So, let's say we are servicing, digital marketing, we are servicing. In the service, we cannot mention digital marketing and SEO service and Google ads, the ads. We cannot mention like this, now, sir. Because
Yes, on website.
digital marketing means it will cover all the things, correct?
You can mention.
We can mention, sir.
So app promotion is the option which you will be using to run the paid campaigns. See, for this, you have to connect your app platform, select your mobile app platform. See here, yeah, Android, iOS. So we have seen this how to log this kind of campaign. So when we search for app, it shows up the apps, or you can directly paste your app link, enter the app name, package name, publisher, or Play Store URL, anything. So for app, there will be a publisher name as well, app ID as well, package name, not ID. There will be a package name. We haven't signed up on any app platforms now, but that's okay. You can always type the name and it shows up, or you just copy paste the app link. Okay, and that's how this is how we launch the campaign. Same on Facebook. Okay, yeah. So if nobody has questions around this, we'll step on to the next topic. So So since we have already discussed various other implementations or activities, like I told you, embed a QR code or show the app download. You must have seen on the websites as well at the bottom, the App Store and Play Store link. When you click on it, it takes directly to the App Store or Play Store. So these are certain promotional activities where you can expect more installations happening for your app by doing such kinds of things. It can be the QR code as well, or running the Google ads or Facebook ads or Instagram ads, which we all have seen it already. Okay, if we had not discussed that, app store optimization topic would have been few more classes. Okay, anybody has questions, guys? Everyone? Okay, so maybe we'll start Amazon marketplaces. If not, we'll wind it up for today. And firstly, we'll start from tomorrow the marketplaces. Yeah, is that fine, everybody?
Yes.
Fine, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, people are so attentive about